If you've ever wanted to create crisp, professional-looking shapes like rectangles and squares in CapCut for PC, but aren't quite sure where to begin, then this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make basic shapes, perfect for overlays, design elements, or creative effects, using CapCut's powerful mask tool. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together, step by step. First up, we need a backdrop to work with. So head into your media library, which is usually found on the left side of your CapCut workspace. Look for the colored background clips. These are super versatile and you can choose any solid color that fits your project. Drag that background onto your timeline. This forms the canvas for your shape. Think of it like laying down a piece of colored paper before you start cutting out your design. If you're not sure which color you want, don't worry, this can be changed later, so just pick something to get started. Next, select the background clip you just placed on the timeline. This is important because any changes we make now will apply directly to this clip. Over on the right side of the screen, you'll spot a toolbar filled with a variety of editing options. Find the one labeled Mask. It might look like a little shape or have a clear label. Go ahead and click on that. The Mask tool is essentially CapCut's way of letting you carve out specific areas from your clip, almost like making a window or sticker out of your colored paper. From the list of available masks, choose Rectangle. This will instantly add a rectangular frame onto your clip. Now this step is where the creative part really starts. You'll see handles around the shape. These let you resize and move the rectangle exactly where you want it on the screen. If you need a precise size, try stretching out the shape gently with your mouse. If you want to make it into a perfect square, simply make sure the width and height numbers match. It's a bit like adjusting a frame so that your picture sits just right. Take your time here. If your corners aren't lining up or something looks a bit off, that's normal at first. Just keep tweaking the handles until you're happy. Now let's add a personal touch with color. In the Mask Settings or the Clip's Basic tab, you'll find color adjustment options. Click through and play with the sliders or pick a different solid color from the palette. If you started with blue but decide yellow works better for your project, just switch it over. This change updates your rectangle or square instantly, letting you preview how it fits with your overall design. Once you've nailed the color and shape, consider going one step further. Let's say you want your shape to slide in, fade out, or even pop onto the screen with a little bit of energy. CapCut makes this simple. Just head to the animation section while your masked clip is selected. You've got choices here. In animations for when the shape first appears and out animations for the ending, you can experiment and see which effect fits the mood of your video. Adding animation isn't required, but it can make your shapes feel more dynamic and professional. And that's it. You've just learned how to create rectangles and squares in CapCut PC using the Mask tool. Whether you're building video overlays, thumbnails, or visual callouts, these shapes can really elevate your editing projects. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts or any questions in the comments below, and of course, subscribe for more easy-to-follow CapCut tips and creative video editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.